right, passing. We're passing. Going really fast. On a sharp turn that has no runoff. High side. Oh, shoot.
Тихо. Тихо, сука. Стой bien.
Medical aid on this one? I don't know. Guys, remember, if you want to become a member and have your green name on the side, you click that join button. Whew. So what's going to happen here is he's going to be like, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. We're going to panic. We're going to do something. So he's going to push even harder and harder, but we're going too fast. So we didn't do the slow portion. We did the look, press, and roll. We didn't do the slow. So what's going to happen is he's going to start the low side. So he's going to start to, that rear tire is going to start to slide out. And then see, he's starting to fall down. He's starting to, oh crap. Plus look, tires might be cold. The road might be cold, you know, snow. He's going to start sliding. Oh crap. And then as soon as right here, oh, the tire decided to grab some traction again. So we're sliding. We're like this, and then whoop, grabs traction again. And what's going to happen is it's going to turn into a high side. So now you're being ejected. So now we have massive amount of problems when it comes to impacts and the fatal fall limit. You know, how high, where did you impact on your spine, all these different things. So you got slung over the top. Thankfully, he hit right there and not down here. Not wearing full gear. Okay, so this is probably going to hurt. Wear full gear. Momentum, everybody. He probably got back on his feet. He's like, oh, and then hits the ground. Imagine hitting a tree.